So let us talk about determiners today. Determiners, these are words such as this, those, my, their, and which. They are also adjectives. They are special adjectives that are used before noun. Please understand, they are used before noun. We have articles, this a, and the. They belong to this group of words which are called as determiners. And these words like a and, these are called indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles, and you can use them with singular nouns. You can use with a and singular nouns to talk about any single person or a thing. So it should be single. The thing should be single, person should be single. Like, do you wear a uniform to school? A uniform. You don't wear many uniforms to school at a time. Can you hear a bird singing? A single bird singing. So there is a picture of an elephant. Rudy is reading a book. Mom bought me a new dress. You will need an umbrella when you go out. She eats an apple a day. So the article an is usually used before a word beginning with vowels. A and an, they have a similar usage, but an is used for the words which begins with vowels. And the article a, this is used before word beginning with alphabets which are not vowels, that is, which are consonants. What about this word the? The word the is called definite article. These were, the previous one, a and an were indefinite articles. These are, the is called the definite article. So use the before a noun when you're talking about a certain person or a thing. Certain. How? The telephone is ringing. Tom has won the race. Where is the cat? I think she is under the bed. Under the bed. Granny is sitting in the garden. The tree is very busy today, or the street is very busy today. The sky is getting dark. The ice is melting. You also use the before a noun when there is only one, like the sun, the moon, the sky, the front door of my house. What are these demonstrative determiners? The words like this, that, these, and those, they are determiners, and they're also used to tell which thing or person you are meanings you meant by which person or thing. So these words are called demonstrative determiners or demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative determiners or demonstrative adjectives, because they fall in the category of adjectives only. Like, James lives in this house. I am keeping these books. I am selling those books. This ice cream is delicious. How much is that cricket or racket? Cricket bat or racket? What is that animal? Bring me that ball. Would you like these apples? So you use this and these to point to a people which are, those are near to you. You use that and those to point to people or things that are farther from you. And you use this and that before singular nouns, and if they are plural, you will employ these and those. So this table, please remember, singular this, plural these, singular that, plural those. Now interrogative determiners. Interrogative determiners. So use the word what, which, whose before nouns to ask about people or things. So these words are called interrogative determiners or interrogative adjectives. What size do you wear? What kind of bird is that? What time is it? What color is her hair? What kind of clothes do you like to wear? Which school do you go to? Which doll is your favorite? Which road leads to the zoo? Which runner is the winner? Do you know which girl won the prize? Whose footprints are these? Whose baby is this? And whose dog was barking in the middle of the night? So what, which, whose? Then we have possessive determiners. What are these possessive determiners? Words my, your, his, her, its, our, their. These are called possessive determiners or possessive adjectives. Use these words possessive determiners before nouns to say who something belongs to. Means, I lent Margaret my guitar. The dentist asked his patient to open her mouth. Is this your pen, Robert? Your handwriting is difficult to read. Michael is showing his tortoise to his friends. My sister lost her way in the city. The lion is chasing its prey. Here is a table you should remember for possessive determiners like first person my, our, second person your, third person his, their, her, their, its, their. So third person always plural will be there. Let us have an exercise. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. So this will be, because we'll see if we have a word starting with a vowel a, e, I, o, u, then we'll use an, right? So the owl or an owl. Then we have racket, a racket, a racket. Then an apron, the sun, and a page, a computer, the moon, the Missouri River, a mango, an animal, an eagle, a baby. Then exercise 2. So we need to write a, an and the in the blanks or gaps to complete the sentences. Exercise 2. There is a rainbow in the sky. Who is a man or the man? Who is the man outside the gate? Both the. The doctor gave Jane an injection. Paul opened the door to let the dog in. Mark is dash only child. Mark is the only child in the family. What's dash largest animal in dash world? What's the largest animal in the world? There's a nest in the tree. Sue is writing a letter to her grandfather. Jack has a brother and a sister. We reached the top of the hill or a hill. We reached the top of a hill in 2 hours. Exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with correct demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative. Come and look at the insects. Stop the man, stop this man. Or come and look at these insects. You can use these insects. Stop that man. I was in 5th grade last year. I am in 6th grade this year. THIS. Bring these chairs here. Dash ice cream is delicious. This ice cream. Can you see dash stars in the sky? Can you see those stars in the sky? Then exercise 4. Are the underlined words demonstrative adjectives or demonstrative pronouns? Write DA for demonstrative adjectives and DP for demonstrative pronouns. So this house has 5 bedrooms. So we have to find out which one is DA and DP. Both are same. So what is the difference? Always remember, in demonstrative adjectives, this adjective will be always followed by a noun. So let us find out which of these 1 to 10 has a DP or DA followed by a noun. So let us see. This house. This is this house. So this is a demonstrative adjective. Who is that man? Demonstrative adjective. This is our school. This is our school. That will be. I'm just marking DA. That is adjectives. Okay. So we are learning about that. That is why others will be demonstrative pronouns. So this is our school. No, this will be DP. P. I'll write P for it. These are wild animals. P. That is right. P. What's that noise? What's that noise? So this is actually DA. These books, again see, a word which is followed by a noun, then this word will be our adjective, demonstrative adjective. So this will be our demonstrative adjective. This will be demonstrative adjective. This will be a demonstrative adjective because books is, those is followed by a book. So we have 7, 8, 1, 2 and 6. So that's all. Others are demonstrative pronouns. Exercise 5. Choose the correct possessive adjectives from the box to fill in the blanks. Is this Jane's dog? Yes. This is his dog. Possessive adjectives you are using because the subject possesses it, or the thing or name based animal thing belongs to it. So the dog is chasing its own tail because we are talking about an element. Peter is dash father at home. Peter is your father at home. Rudy is showing her stamp to Ali. I am going to my aunt's house. We always keep dash classroom clean. Our classroom clean. Children, have you all finished homework? Your homework. The children are proud of their school. Then exercise 6. Choose the correct interrogative adjectives from the box to fill in the blanks. So let us start. What kind of animal is that? What kind of animal? Then which runner is the winner? What is the matter? Third. Then whose desk is this? Whose desk is this? Fourth. Dash handphone is ringing. Whose phone is ringing? Dash is your name. What is your name? Dash twin is taller. Which twin is taller? And dash hand is holding the pebble. Which hand? Two hands are there. So which hand is holding the pebble? So this was determiners. They are actually adjectives only. So thank you so much. Take care.